Hey guys, you're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple hair growth oil using just 2 ingredients that you can easily get your hands on. Growing your hair will become much easier when you start using the simple natural ingredients that you find around you. For this hair growth treatment, we'll be making use of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is extracted from the seeds of grapes. Although many people think that grapeseed oil is just for skin, it has a great benefit for hair as well. One of the benefits of grapeseed oil for hair is moisturization. It helps to seal in moisture. It also hydrates the hair. And because grapeseed oil is very lightweight, it is not going to leave your hair feeling greasy. When it comes to hair growth, grapeseed oil is an excellent choice because it contains vitamin E, flavonoids, linoleic acid, and OPCs. It also smoothens and blocks split ends. It reduces dandruff. It strengthens weak and brittle hair. It reduces hair loss and hair fall. And it also protects the hair from UV damage. Are you looking for safe and effective skincare products that you can use on your skin that won't damage your skin, won't destroy your skin, but will help you achieve a better skin glow? Then check out etoskin.com. You can check out our website www.etoskin.com to order your products from us. We deliver worldwide using DHL. The next ingredient we'll be using is eucalyptus essential. This is one oil that is very good when it comes to hair growth. It penetrates deep into the hair pores and stimulates the hair, which makes the hair to grow out very well. Eucalyptus oil is not only used for hair growth, but it also helps to get rid of lice on the hair. So if you have lice on the scalp, if you have, or you know someone that have lice, this is something that is really going to work against lice. And it also helps to prevent lice from breeding in the hair. So to prevent your hair from getting infested with lice, it is advisable to always use eucalyptus oil from time to time to ensure that you put that in check. For this treatment, I'll be making use of 1% of eucalyptus oil. That is because you have to be careful when working with essential oil and not just pour it in as you like. My oil is 100 ml, so I'll be using just 1 ml, which is 1% of my total oil. So if you are making up to 500 ml, you just do the mathematics. Using a dropper to take this measurement, you can make use of your scale if you don't have a dropper like this. Another good thing about eucalyptus oil is that it smells so nice. It has this minty eucalyptus kind of scent, which when you apply on your hair, it's just going to smell so nice, and I really love it. So this is my 1 ml eucalyptus essential oil. So I'm going to pour that into my oil, and then I will use my dropper to stir it as well. You can make use of your stirring rod for this. So make sure you stir it so that it will mix evenly. Next thing is to get a storage bottle, and I'm going to pour my oil into this. This way I'll be storing my oil for the duration of use. I'm covering it with an applicator cover. This is to make applying the oil on my head to be very smooth and easy. So this hair growth oil with just 2 ingredients, everything is ready. So I'm going to apply it directly on my hair, and I have this cornrows here, so I'm going to apply it directly onto my scalp. I'm also going to apply it at the back of my hair. So you want to make sure that this oil goes in evenly on your hair, and then I will be massaging it all through with my fingertips. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also leave your comments down below because I would really love to know your thoughts on this. Will you be trying this out? Have you used eucalyptus oil before? Did you like it? And in case you're wondering where you can get the oil, you can buy it on Amazon, or you buy it, just check Instagram. You will also see vendors that sell these oils. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.